This is our today's webinar, how effectively simulate strategy to minimize warpage. And I am today's presenter. I go by Casey. Okay, and this is today's agenda. There are a couple of reasons to understanding the shrinkage warpage and what are the major causes of the warpage. And I will focus on how and why the differential temperature is going to affect warpage. And then I will have two cases I would like to share with everyone. First, what are the differences between shrinkage and warpage? And there's a resource which is called cruise training, and there's a YouTube which this is a project we keep working with a company called Cruise Training, and this Cruise Training will give you the reasons of causes shrinkage and warpage and how the part design level affect volumetric shrinkage and also warpage. And basically, the shrinkage and warpage is if part is a plaque, it will evenly shrink and there's no warp. However, if we are seeing the uniform shrinkage, then it's gonna cause the warpage. And this is a very good resource which you are able to watch and try to understanding the shrinkage and warpage. I would highly recommend you, once you have the recording and the presentation from us, go to the YouTube channel and take a look on the cruise training. This cruise training is a very complex training course and also will give you the quiz for each section. And there are 6 major causes of warpage. Could be from the part design level, mold design process, or material including short fiber, long fiber, or it's carbon fiber or glass fiber. Of course, during the molding process, we are going to see the residual stress and how we are able to understand which cause will cause the part warp. And that is one of the topic we are going to discuss today, which is differential temperature effect on the warpage. So this is just on the top right here, you can see this is a plaque, okay? And then on the top, this is hot temperature. Below, this is cold temperature. And due to the temperature differences, what would be the reason cause the part is going to work in this smiling phase or the crying phase?